In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a professional TikTok account. A professional TikTok account not in Nigeria but for the United States of America or for other eligible countries that are ready to earn money from TikTok. Recently, you notice that TikTok has monetized its creators, and the creators that are monetized are not creators from Africa. They are creators from countries like United States of America, Germany, and other developed countries. But how do we tap into this cash without just creating for nothing? I'm going to show you the exact thing to do in this video, and it's just simple. Unlike PayPal account, which is very stressful, you're just gonna stay there, you don't even know what to do. It's very hard. This step and process I'm going to show you is totally simple. Even a newborn baby can do it in just few minutes. So I'm going to show you that. So the first thing you are going to need are 2 VPNs. Secondly, you need a browser, Chrome browser. Thirdly, you're going to need your TikTok app. So if you haven't downloaded your TikTok app, go ahead and download it straight right now. But if you have a TikTok app, leave it, it's okay. Now the next thing we're going to do is head to our Play Store and download the 2 VPNs that we have. So guys, the first thing we're going to do is head to Play Store, and in the Play Store here we're going to type in Thunder VPN. And once we've typed in Thunder VPN, we search for Thunder VPN, and once the Thunder VPN is open, we're going to go ahead and download the Thunder VPN right here. Once we've clicked on install and the Thunder VPN starts installing and is downloaded, we're going to now hit the connect button right here and choose a particular country, especially United States of America. Then we head back to our Chrome browser. In our Chrome browser, we're going to create a new tab. Don't use a existing tab you have been using. Create a new tab, it's important. Now once we've created a new tab, we're going to type in tiktok.com/login. tiktok.com/login. Take note, don't type tiktok.com, type tiktok.com/login. Then we are here in the tiktok.com. It's loading. And then once it has loaded, tiktok.com/login. What I'm going to do here is log in with your email. Don't use your phone number, use your Google Mail. If you use your phone number, you've spoiled everything. Now once you have logged in using your email, wait for it to load. Now after it has loaded, everything is now good. You now have a TikTok account that is based in the United States. That is it, and as simple as that. Important notice, don't switch this TikTok account to business account after creating it. If you do, you will lose your monetization. Secondly, don't post other people's video on your TikTok account. You will lose your monetization if you do so. Thirdly, don't ever duet any other person's video. If you do so, you are going to lose your monetization. But if you don't do all these things I've mentioned, you are sure to make money from this TikTok account. You see, this tutorial is so simple. Anyone can do it, as I've said. Anyone at all, is as simple. So why don't you head straight right now and create your own TikTok account, and I would like to see you in the next video.